Find peace and tranquility on this stunning 34 plus acre property in Virginia. Explore the property's natural beauty with cleared land, wooded areas, and trails perfect for ATV adventures. This property previously used as a Christmas tree farm and has endless possibilities. A private retreat, Airbnb or guest house while building your dream home. With streams potential for a pond and convenient access to the New River and downtown Independence, this is a rare chance to own a piece of Virginia's natural beauty. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.